Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this Amazon unit, and her name is from AISI Hair. So if you're interested in this unit from Amazon, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from AISI Hair on Amazon.com, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this unit is one of those glueless units. It is synthetic, but it looks really good. The quality is on point, and I can't wait to get into the details. But before I get into my thoughts, let me get into the specs of this unit. So this unit is a 26-inch unit. This one is their long wavy middle part unit. It's only a middle part unit, so that's what you will get with this unit. In terms of the internals of this cap has 3 combs, 2 at the parting space, 1 at the back with an adjustable band. There's no adjustable straps at the back like, the throwback wigs, but this one has an adjustable band, so that's what makes this wig quite glueless and pretty sturdy on the head. You really have to yank this off to get it off, which I do like, and it's quite easy to get that seamless, flawless look, as you all can see. Now, in terms of the parting space, I did add a little bit of powder. I didn't even need to put any spray, like tint spray in it. It actually blended in really well. It wasn't white. The lace itself wasn't super white. It had a nice tan color. So if you are that same shade of brown, you wouldn't even need to add any powder to the parting space, but I did add a little bit of powder. The parting space is quite long, so it looks really natural here. As far as the parting space, did I apply any heat to it? I did adjust the heat setting onto my hot comb at 370 degrees Fahrenheit so that it wouldn't burn too much, but it was enough heat to make the parting space nice and flat. I didn't add any sort of wax stick or anything like that. It didn't need that. You just needed to just pass it a few times, and it would lay nice and flat, as you all can see here. Now, in terms of the Amazon listing, they did have a bunch of different colors. Well, the color that I have is the black, but it does come into a black going into a nice blonde, a ginger color, a blonde, and a nice type of brown color. It's really like a chocolate brown, like what my shirt has, like this type of color. It's really pretty. I will leave a link in the description box so you all can see this unit and the different colors that it comes in. And it comes in different highlights, like a dark brown with a nice sharp blonde highlight, and the other highlight is more of a nice dark brown, and so many other colors you can choose from. They're all gorgeous, and of course with these colors it does come in different prices, so please pay attention to that. This one in particular is $26.99 on Amazon.com. I'm not sure of the taxes and fees. It does vary through different states, so you can definitely go ahead and check that out. You should get it within 2 to 3 business days. If you're on Prime, you will get it immediately. I think since this back to school and all those good stuff happening next month, this is a great wig for those who are now starting out with units, and also for those who want something that's quick and easy but looks nice and professional, but yet it looks quite nice. This will be the perfect unit for you to get. I did not waste a lot of time on this unit. It was quite easy for me to just throw on and pretty much brush it through. In terms of any sort of shedding, I didn't get any, so you will have minimal to no shedding with this unit, which is also a major plus for me as well. So I like the wig. It's very cute. I do like the waves in it. It was very easy for me to throw on and go. The parting space is perfect. I absolutely love this wig. I have no complaints, and I'm looking forward to trying out different colors in this particular wig. And of course, AISI wigs, have been reviewing them for a while now, so I know their quality is always on top, and I really love how they're just making it a lot more accessible and more beautiful as it goes along. So if you all have any questions, let me know anything. I will try to help you the best way I can, and I will also leave a link down in the description box and the pinned comment. Those are my affiliate links, so it will be greatly appreciated if you use that link. And thank you so much, AISI Hair, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.